Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I am Simply Marvelous. Welcome to the gang. I have a unit that I bought probably about a year ago from a YouTuber that's on YouTube. She has a site that she sells a lot of her bonnets and units, and I bought 2 units, and her name is 𝐷𝐿. She's black owned, and I'm going to start with this unit. It is called Sweet Licorice Ombre Chocolate. So I'm so sorry for waiting so long to put this baby out. And her name is, like I said, 𝐷𝐿, and this is what her card looks like. Hey girl. Hey 𝐷𝐿. Just the Dragon. I know you changed your name to Just Thomas. Just Thomas. This is her site. So screenshot it, guys. Check it out. I will put the information in the description box below. Look at the ombre. Look at the curls. So you have your standard construction cap, your 2 combs, adjustable, well, not adjustable, but your comb in the back. You can put your clamps here. Me and the hard lace don't do well because I don't have any edges. Oh wow. So let's cut this lace off. Powder in the part. Okay. So this is what it looks like once I put the powder on. These curls. Vanilla crush in to help with the curls maybe. And this is a synthetic unit, guys. This is pretty. And your girl is not going to do no baby hairs. Ain't going to do it. This is so pretty. And it's really, really soft. I'm every woman. Oh, wow. This is absolutely beautiful. Oh, you can see my little gray hairs. Okay, it's not shedding. It's not tangling. I like this. It's just a few strands, but it's nothing to cry about. This is nice. I like this. Nice ombre curly unit. Now, what I was thinking about. Jess, you did it, girl. Jess Monique Thomas, thank you. Let me turn around. And I'm 5'2". It comes right to my shoulders. Would you buy this? I would. Again and again and again. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would give this a 10. I have no issues. None whatsoever. Put your comments in the thing below. Let's talk about this beauty here and the Sweet Licorice Chocolate Ombre, because she is a beauty. I got my hands on this baby here because she is the one. Guys, thank you all so much for tuning in. Oh, I do have another one. Let's take this one off and let's do my next beauty. I'm about to end the video. You can put this baby up. She's beauty. Ooh, la la. Ooh, daddy. Mama's waiting for you. I need to take pictures. Let me put this on pause. I have Miss Honey Dip. And the number 1B. She is synthetic. Look at these curls. Here's their party. Standard construction cap. Soft lace. This is what your hairline looks like. So let's cut these, let's cut the lace. There's lace. Powder on it. You can get this from your beauty supply. It's supposed to go. Let's get some of the humps and the bumps out. Sizzle my head. So what I want to do is just bring the heat down, the hump down, and that's it. Oh, this is beautiful. Awesome spray. I love the way this smells. And I didn't do any baby hairs. On a scale of 1 to 10, she's a 10. I had no shedding, maybe a couple strands. Nothing to cry about. No issues. She's a beauty. One of my favorites. These two, like I said, I don't know what I've been waiting on. My favorites, my two favorites. But anyway, I'm going to give you guys a 360 on this beauty here. This is the front. I'm 5'2". She has a lot of body. Yada 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 yada. And she has body. She has body. She's a beauty. So, this is the end of this video. I thank you all for tuning in. Put your comments below. Let's talk about this beauty here. I like her. If she got some more of these right here, I'd be going to get some more of these babies right here. I wish I had a part on this side because I'm a righty girl. It was kind of hard for me to do my little lefty over here. I'm a righty girl. But anyway, let's like, comment, and share. Sharing is caring. Like I said, thanks for tuning in. Till next time, you guys. Peace. You guys take care. Till next time. Bye.